Good morning, everyone, and happy Halloween. Welcome back to another episode of Innovation on Fire, where we answer all of your burning questions about innovation. Today, we have a very special guest, Omar Jordan, CEO and founder of Coviance. Now, you're probably wondering who Coviance is. Better than me explaining it, I'll let Omar do it. Omar.
Well, first, Jeff, thanks for having me. Couldn't resist sharing some hot wings with you. And we appreciate our partnership with your credit union. And it's been great to work with you guys. And just to sum it up, Coviance is an automation platform for home equity and HELOCs. And we work with credit unions like Farmers Insurance to help take your processes to underwrite a home equity or a HELOC loan. And we put it into an automation workflow that allows your loan officers to just push a button and the loan process starts to unfold.
You actually helped us save not just minutes, not hours, but days in that process by not having inspectors come out. You actually allow our members to take photos of their own property.
Yep. Number one, for us, it's having credit unions who have the appetite to continue to innovate. And then two, partnering with credit unions who are willing to put some products and solutions in their members' hand, because members are hungry for those solutions. You know, the world we live in today, everything happens on the phone. And so as I'm applying for my loan right now, and most applications happen between the hours of 10 p.m. and midnight. While I'm doing that, why not finish my application? And this is what Coviance does for our credit union partners.
Perfect. Now, you know what we did it to?
Let's give it a shot.
Let's do it. And these hot sauces are from Tabanero.
Okay.
This is original. And original, if everyone remembers, was the one pepper. Put as little as much as you want.
There's one thing you don't know about me is I'm a little crazy.
Here we go.
We doing it?
Yeah, cheers.
That's some good wings.
What do you think about the flavor?
Not hot. I think it needs a little extra kick.
Let's get into the interview. What does innovation mean to you?
Innovation to me is one's appetite to focus on a problem that ultimately helps move either a business forward, a community forward, an idea forward. And so it's that collection of ideas, processes, thoughts, actions that go into one pot. And then at the end, you've got this result that moves something forward. You think about the idea of credit unions themselves are an innovation. It's about pooling the community's money into this credit union and then lending it out back to the community versus the old model where, you know, it's bank owned and owned by a certain segmentation. So I appreciate that about the credit union. So the idea of credit union alone is the very, very crux of what innovation is.
So where does innovation start for you?
I think it starts with the need and a necessity to make a change. And for me, it's a failure to submit to the status quo. It's a failure to say, okay, I'll accept that this is the process. No, because I'm not okay with, for example, a home equity loan taking a 30-day, 45 days. That's not okay. As a consumer, as a member, there's gotta be a better way.
All right, Omar, are you ready for the next one?
Are we going up?
This is extra hot.
Okay.
On the scale of where we were to where we're going,
Okay.
this is 2 peppers.
Okay. I think I can handle 2 peppers.
I like the way you think, yeah.
That's very good.
Are there any business leaders or people that have inspired you in your journey of innovation?
This industry specifically, what I appreciate about it is mentors and business leaders are not necessarily innovators in terms of being in it. It's the ones that create the environment for us to innovate within. And then empowering us by saying, yeah, we'd like to try that.
Build the environment.
Absolutely.
If you build it,
They will come.
no, there's always. Have you ever come into a situation where your creativity was hampered by the technology at your time?
Absolutely. There's always innovative ideas that we put forward, or even ideas that I bring back to our team and say, I want to try to do this. And they're like, well, wait a minute, this seems, I don't know if we can sell this. I don't know if our customers are willing to adopt such idea. It's way out there and we're still here. We need to stair step them into it. Our customer base at Coviance are folks, you guys, that generally are in the business of managing risk. And so for me to come up with ideas I have to be able to present it in a way that kind of puts that risk factor down here a little bit before we're able to go up there.
All right, Omar. Serious question for you.
Yes.
We went from 1 to 2. We're gonna go to 8. Are you ready for this?
I'm always ready. He did not make me sign a disclosure, Laura.
How was Coviance born?
I don't know when it'll start burning, but it's good right now.
I feel like he did one. I'm a competitive person. I'm not about to let you win.
How Coviance was born. I walked into a credit union. I asked to apply for a loan, refinancing a mortgage. And the loan officer came to me and she said, yes, here you go. Here's a paper application, fill it out and fax it to me. I was just baffled that that is the best at the time that credit union could do for me as a member. And that was my aha moment of there's a problem here that I've got to fix. Beyond that problem, I started to really understand, well, what happens once the application comes into the credit union for a home equity loan or a refinance? Well, then I learned that it's a process that's convoluted and it's sticky notes and Excel spreadsheets, and the loan originating system that they're using isn't necessarily integrated with all the solutions that they need. That was my aha moment of there is a problem here that credit unions and community banks, for that matter, do not know exists. And that's the birth of then was called Lender Close. Today it's Coviance as we rebranded.
We're down to the last couple questions. Guess what else?
The dragon breath.
We're down to the last one.
My breath is on dragon fire right now.
So here we go. Are you ready for this, Omar?
Let's just do it.
That's a hop.
Yeah.
Omar,
Keep it together.
how do you stay in front of the innovation curve?
We talk to our customers constantly. I am a credit union member. I force myself to go outside of my comfort zone into credit unions, apply, learn, force myself to go have an experience with a fintech. You know, as innovation helps us improve and move our business forward, consumer expectations comes up with it. And then as consumer expectations rises, innovation comes in and brings that up even higher. And so it's a cyclical process and it keeps us on our toes. You know, as a fintech who's in charge for innovating on behalf of our customers that are credit unions and credit unions that invested in our company. It's a fun process. Well, that's how we do it.
You feeling good?
I'm feeling good. I need another bite of this.
Last question here. You just went on it.
It's hot, but it's all right.
And how do you inspire? Are you okay?
Whose idea was this?
How do you inspire innovation in others?
Oh man, that's a great question. As a company grows, I can't not just be the full stop, right? I've got to empower my team and allow them to fail. And I think that's one of the most important questions that I ask in my interviews. And it's a statement that I make. I want you to fail in order for us to learn from it. Embracing failure and installing that growth mindset within your team. To allow them to not fear the consequences of failure and really celebrate the moments of success. And so to drive success, you have to embrace failures.
Oh, thank you for coming with us on this burning journey.
This is fun.
Hold on. Well, here we are at the end of our journey. Omar, again, thank you.
Thank you. Definitely on fire.
Yeah, innovation on fire. If you want to know more about the Innovation Committee, check us out on Fred. I'm in pain under Innovation Committee. Yeah, paid. If you want to submit an innovative idea, you can do so on the Innovation and Action tab. And if you're crazy enough to come on the next Innovation on Fire video, like our good friend Omar here, email us at Innovation Committee. That is it for me and Omar. We're gonna go get some ice cream, my treat. Have an amazing rest of your day, everybody. Goodbye.
Bye, guys.